So the power button stopped working on our washer. In order to get into the internals, you had to take out the screw here, remove the detergent drawer and pull out a couple of screws there. 3 screws off of the back side, and then you can slide the top back. And then there were 4 more screws, or 5 more screws along the front. Then you can pull off the whole front panel. Make sure you unplug the power and before disconnecting the panel. Then there's 5 or 6 more screws to pull this top part off, and the power button is just on the other side of this. And so the workaround temporarily is I soldered 2 wires to the back ends of the switch here, and then to turn it on and off you just touch the 2 ends of the wires together. I'll find a switch to hook up to it, a rudimentary switch. Put it all back together and you're back in business. And then just to wrap this up, in order to not have to touch wires together every time you do laundry, I picked up at Home Depot a momentary on push button switch. Just screwed the wires on to the back of this, used a drill to open up this opening a little bit more so that this could slide in a little bit. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's functional, and then you can just push the button to turn it off. Incidentally, our dryer that we got at the same time has also had power button problems, but it's been a little bit different. The switch on the control panel didn't go out, just this plastic piece that goes inside is broken, and so that one still works. We just lift it up a little bit and poke something soft like the end of a paper clip is usually what we're using to turn the power on and off on that. So that might also work. On our washer that just stopped working. The switch slowly went out more and more until it was finally completely gone, and that's why we went with the solution to solder a couple of wires to the control panel.